If you're new to HookPad and eager to learn how to quickly write down a song, welcome. In this tutorial I will give you a quick overview of a HookPad's interface. And if you make it to the end, I will show you how to open a demo song so you can actually listen to some great music. So let's get started. If you didn't do it already, go to hooktheory.com and open HookPad so you can follow along throughout this tutorial. This is the main interface. Feel free to check out every button and see what it does. If you have actually hit something bad and do not know how to get back, don't worry. Just refresh your browser and you will get a completely empty new project with all the default settings again. The interface is basically divided into two different sections. This is the part where all the music goes, and here you find all the options you need for your chords and notes. If you analyze an average pop song, you will find out that it consists of four basic elements: chords, melodies, lyrics, and the instruments the song is played with. To write a chord progression, we use the chord section, which is already selected. If not, just click on the empty bar 1. Let's throw in a couple of chords. For our melody, we simply select the melody section. The interface changes depending on the selected section. It shows chords for the chord section, single notes for the melody section, and also a bunch of other things which you don't need to bother with for now. Playing back music in HookPad works just like any other audio player, like iTunes or Spotify. Just press the spacebar on your keyboard. But you should make sure to place the cursor at the beginning of the part you want to listen to. So we just click at the start and try it again. To stop the playback, simply press the spacebar again. A click on the lyrics button opens up a new section where we can type in our lyrics. All lyrics are automatically placed above the melody notes. For our instrumentation we use the band section. Just click on this little button which says Band. Here you can find a bunch of templates which include whole bands as well as all individual HookPad instruments. For now we just choose the rock band and are ready to go. Now let's take a short break to summarize what we have learned so far. Here we write our chords and there our melody. To write lyrics we press the lyrics button, and to select more instruments we click on the band button. If this was a bit too fast for you, don't worry. In the next couple of weeks we will release separate tutorials for each of those four basic elements. So let me just close the lyrics and the band section to show you another cool feature of HookPad. This button here, which says piano, opens a virtual piano where you can see all the notes and chords of your song, which might help a lot if you want to play it on the piano. As I promised at the beginning of the video, I will now show you where you can find all our demo songs. But as opening a new project will delete the song we have right now, let's save it first. Just type in any name you like. So now let's go to those demo songs. We just click on Open a demo song, and here we have our demo songs in all different styles. Let's open The Day at the Beach. Demo songs are a good way to get an overview of all the possibilities of HookPad. So take your time and check out a few. Perhaps they will give you some additional inspiration for your songwriting process. If you're eager to learn more about HookPad, hit the subscribe button to get news of our channel, where you will also find lots of videos about music theory. We will release a new video every week, so stay tuned.